Hi everyone, welcome back to DenzyMedia. If you are interested in creating a faceless YouTube channel and you are the type who don't want to show your face on camera, I have a good news for you. Let's watch this video.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to your presentation program class. I am your teacher, Dennis from DenzyMedia. In this first unit, we are going to explore Microsoft PowerPoint together, one of the most popular tools for creating presentations in school, work, and everyday life. By the end of this lesson, you will know what PowerPoint is, what its screen looks like, and how to start planning your very first presentation. Let's get started.
I generated this using only my picture and a voiceover from ElevenLabs. And today I'm going to walk you through step by step how I was able to do this. Let's get started. First of all, you have to sign into ElevenLabs. Then you come here and click on text to speech. Now you click in this page and you paste your script. So I've drafted this script and you just have to paste it here. Now you can select your language. So here I'm going to select English. Then you can select the gender. I want a male voice. Then you can select accent, maybe American. Now these are the samples. I'll just go through.
Scanning the room, Sergeant Miller saw three things. Let today be the day you choose.
You ever get that feeling like today?
Okay, I think I prefer this one. Just have to double click on it. Or I'll click on these three dots to view the voice, and if I like it, then I'll just come here and click on create speech.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to your presentation program class. I am your teacher, Dennis from DenzyMedia. In this first unit, we are going to explore Microsoft PowerPoint together, one of the most popular tools for creating presentations in school, work, and everyday life. By the end of this lesson, you will know what PowerPoint is, what its screen looks like, and how to start planning your very first presentation. Let's get started.
Alright, so if you're okay with this one, then you only have to click here and download. If not, you can click on regenerate or just click save to download. Now that my audio is ready, I have to come to this AI and click on create account here. And I have to insert my email and I have to type my password here and click on create account. After you click on create account, you will be exposed to this interface and you see that from your left to the right, you can do a lot of things with this AI. You can change your voice, you can generate images, edit your image, make animator and avatar generation, and a lot. So today we are going to create an avatar. So you click on create avatar, then you have a sample here just by using your picture. And then let's look at the sample we have here.
Welcome to Cat Facts, where we explore the fascinating world of our feline friends. Did you know that cats spend 70% of their lives sleeping? Which means a 3-year-old cat has only been awake for about 9 months of its life?
All that you have to do is you have to click here to add your image you want to use to generate the avatar. So I'll just click here. Now it says verify your email first. So all I have to do is to scroll down and then I'll click on send email verification. So this one will be sent to your email. Now after you have verified your email, you'll be given 5 credits to generate your video. So just go back and click on add your image. So we are going to add our image by selecting the image and click open. So the image has been added. Then we have to scroll down and click on drop the audio or click to add the audio here. Now we're going to use the audio we generated in ElevenLabs, and here is it. I'll just click on it, click open. Now after loading the picture and the audio, all that you can play it to see, but all that I have to do now is to come here and click on generate. This is totally free and you can generate as much as you want. Let's wait and see the result. Now our video is ready, so we just have to click here to see what it has given us.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to your presentation program class. I am your teacher, Dennis from DenzyMedia. In this first unit, we are going to explore Microsoft PowerPoint together, one of the most popular tools for creating presentations in school, work, and everyday life. By the end of this lesson, you will know what PowerPoint is, what its screen looks like, and how to start planning your very first presentation. Let's get started.
In order to download this video, you just have to click on these three dots, then you click on download. Then you have to select your location and save it to your computer. Isn't it amazing that we've been able to generate such a video in just one few steps? Now I'll be diving more into this AI tool in my next video, so follow, like, and share. In the description of this video, I'll put the link of the AI we just used. Thank you.